Hello, Vanakkam Vandanam to Swagatam to Omega Coding Club's Coding Basics. Today we'll be learning about the data types in C. So what are data types? Data types are collection or grouping of data values. So there are three categories of data types in C. That is the basic data types, derived data types, and user-defined data types. So let us start with the basic data types. It has four variations. That is integer, float, double, and character. So let us start with the integer data type. So the integer data type stores values as whole numbers without the decimal points. So it can store values such as 5, 7, 8, or any other whole number without decimal points. The format specifier for integer is percentage %d, and the keyword used will be int in all lowercase, because C is a case sensitive language. So int is the keyword used for integer. So let us go to the next data type, that is float. So float data type stores fractional values or fractional numbers with the decimal points, and it can store up to 7 decimal digits. The format specifier for float will be %f, and the keyword used for float will be float, that is float. The next data type we'll be seeing is double, which is as similar as the float. Double also stores fractional numbers which can have decimal values up to 15, that is it can store up to 15 decimal digits. The format specifier for double will be %lf. The next data type we'll be seeing is character. It can store character, letter, number, or ASCII values, and the format specifier for character will be %c, and the keyword used will be char. So we'll see the syntax and we'll execute some code for you to understand. So here we have the syntax for the integer data type. First we have to enter the keyword int, that is the integer keyword. We assign a variable and we store a value inside the variable, that is 5, which is a whole number. And we have to specify our format specifier so that we can get our output in the form of integer itself. So let us run this code. So as we see here, we can get the output as 5, which is in the integer format. So we'll see the next syntax, that is the float syntax. So as we see here, we have the syntax for float here. We have the keyword float. We have stored a value 789 in under the variable x. We have specified our format specifier, that is the %f, so that we get our output in the form of float itself. So when we run this code, we can see that this float stores decimal digits also. So we'll see the next syntax for double, which is as similar as the float itself. So as we see here, we have entered the syntax for double, that is we have given the keyword double, we have stored a value, uh, decimal value under the variable d, and our format specifier %lf. So we'll run this code. So we have got the output in the decimal format itself. So the double can store up to 15 decimal points. We can also get a desired number of decimal points by altering the %lf. If we enter %.2lf, we'll be getting the value with only 2 decimal points, as you can see here. So similarly, if you give 3.3 lf, you will get 3 decimal points, and so on. So the next data type we'll be seeing is character, and the syntax is. So as you can see here, we have entered our syntax for character, that is the char, that is the keyword we are using here. We assign a variable a, and we have assigned, we have given a character value, and we have also specified our format specifier so that we can get the output in the character format itself. So we can see here that we have received the output a. So these are the syntaxes for the basic data types, that is the integer, float, double and character. So the next category of data types we'll be seeing is the derived data type. So the derived data types are of two variations, that is the structure and the union. The structured data type can store different data types under one single entity. The difference is that the structured data type stores different data types in different memory locations. So like here the character name with 40 bytes is stored in one memory location, integer roll number is stored in another data memory location, and the phone number is stored in the other memory location. So three different memory locations for the three different variables we have assigned. So the union data type also is similar to the structured data type. The keyword given for union data type is the union. uh, Even union can store multiple data types under single entity. The only difference it has from the structured data type is that it it selects the largest memory location size it has and assigns the other data types available in the existing one. So we have a image here which can explain us even better. So in structure, we can see that the total size of the memory location is 48 bits, but it is stored separately. That is, the name has 40 bytes, roll number has 4, and the phone number has 4. But in union, we can see that the name itself has the 40 bytes, and the other two, roll number and the phone number, will be stored inside the memory location of name itself. So all together are stored under one memory location, but in structure we can see that each and every data type is stored in different memory locations. So we'll come to the third category, that is the user defined data type, the enumeration. So let us see what is enumeration. Enumeration is a process of assigning integral constants to the data we are giving them. So the keyword we'll be using here will be enum, enum. So we'll see the syntax for better idea. So as we can see here, we have assigned the keyword enum and the tag or the entity name as week, and we have entered weekdays, the days in the week as the values or the elements in the entity. So as we have entered Sunday, Monday, and so on, each and every element will be assigned to an integral value. So the default integral value starts from 0. So the Sunday will be assigned to 0, Monday will be 1, and so on. So we can see that we have created a variable called today, and we have assigned the value Wednesday to the given variable. So when we run this code, we can see the output as the day is 3. That is, the Sunday is 0, Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, and Wednesday is 3. So the basic concept of enum or the enumeration is that it presents the data in more readable and easy format. So each and every data is stored in an integral form. It makes it easier to maintain data for the user. Thank you so much for watching this video. We have learned the basics of data types in C. Further videos will be uploaded in the playlist, so stay tuned. If you like this video, give it a like. If you have any other questions or doubts, let us know in the comments and subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.